Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to invest in cattle using the Plus500 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Plus500 app, then go to the trade section, which you can do by sliding this top slider to the left to the trade section. And here, if you scroll down, first you have to open the commodities and all commodities on the left, as you can see. And here, if you scroll down, you will find live cattle right above the cocoa. And when you tap on live cattle, you can see the price changes in the last period on the bottom. You can also change this to months, hours, weeks, or even years. So you can see what were the prices in the last periods. And if you decide on investing in this, you just have to tap on buy. And as you can see on the top, you can see the current rate, which is $141. And here you can add the number of contracts that you would like to purchase. Let's say 250, which is going to cost $354. But let's say if I'm up to invest even more, let's say $2,000, 2,100 for 150. So that's pretty much it. You can also use the buy when rate is feature, which is a very nice feature where you can decrease the rate and let the app invest your money automatically when the rate is lower, so you get a better deal this way. But obviously you can go and invest right away. So just tap on buy, and as you can see, I just get a position and my purchase went through. As you can see at the open position section, live cattle is already in. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and checking the links in the description. See you in the next one.